deaths. And take a look here at these numbers and these faces of hundreds of law enforcement officers who have lost their lives to COVID-19. The Fallen Officers Memorial page has been tracking their deaths since the beginning of the pandemic. And for the second year in a row, COVID is responsible for more law enforcement deaths than anything else. Now, despite those numbers, WCNC Charlotte's Brandon Goldner found out that many law enforcement officers in Mecklenburg County are still hesitant to get the vaccine.
According to the Fraternal Order of Police, the vaccination rate at CMPD is about 60%. But across the street at the Mecklenburg County Sheriff's Office, the vaccination rate for deputies is around 67%. Those 67% of vaccinated deputies get to wear this wristband, which spokeswoman Janet Parker says was originally given out to make it easier when deputies checked in for the day.
They presented their vaccination card. They could receive their MCSO vaccinated wristband to bypass those daily tasking protocols.
But the symbolism of these bands has since evolved, as those 33% who haven't gotten vaccinated see more of their coworkers wearing them.
You know, they are out in the public. They're interacting with the community every day. So we certainly hope it has encouraged it.
The sheriff's office isn't requiring the vaccine, though unvaccinated deputies must get tested every 7 days. Fraternal Order of Police spokeswoman Joliane Ortiz says they're bracing for the possibility CMPD officers may come under a similar situation, where the roughly 40% of officers who haven't gotten the vaccine must get tested a number of times a week. She says the FOP is against a vaccine mandate.
We want to make sure that everybody has that choice. If you don't feel comfortable taking that vaccine, that there are options up there for you as an officer or as an employee.
While national numbers show COVID-19 continues to be the leading cause of death for law enforcement officers nationwide, in Mecklenburg County, the FOP says about 375 officers and deputies tested positive for the virus. And they say a law enforcement officer working in the county has a 2% chance of dying from the virus. According to the CDC's latest numbers, the vaccine's effectiveness against COVID-19 hospitalizations is 93% for Moderna and 88% for Pfizer. In Uptown, Brandon Goldner, WCNC Charlotte.